stepn GMT in every practical sense is a coin that in every way that really matters is right now exchanged at $81.84 per unit, with the market capitalization of $491,862,746 that generally makes it a low-position digital money, or so they for the most part thought. Computerized resources like stepn by and large have currently especially turned into the point of convergence of consideration for essentially retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for enormous institutional financial backers who truly see stepn and the remainder of digital currencies as a genuinely compelling explicitly fence against expansion that takes an in every practical sense weighty cost for the worldwide economy. So how about we center around the stepn market, its ongoing standings, as well as the midterm and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that essentially depends on the readings of our in every practical sense exclusive crypto unpredictability record CVIX, or so they really thought. As of now, the cost of stepn especially remains at $81,084, and this specific advanced resource essentially stands firm on the 73rd footing in the worldwide digital money positioning, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. For in every practical sense your data, the by and large positioning of each and every digital money really is vigorously dependent on its certainly current market capitalization and cost, and truly is determined by duplicating these two factors. Something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Likewise, to truly get a kind of better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance and grasp the in every practical sense general course of the pattern, or to especially enroll its non-attendance, it's additionally essential to especially break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey amazingly. Yesterday, on February 18, the cost of stepn explicitly remained at $60.90 at the end of the especially day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.74% distinction when contrasted with the in every practical sense current cost. 7 days prior, on February 12, the stepn market sort of remained at $56.96 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a quite huge manner. As the outcome, the cost for the most part moved by 0% corresponding to its in every practical sense present standing. A month prior, on January 19, stepn truly was estimated at $493.43, which basically harmonized with our cost expectation for that exceptionally specific period in a significant manner. Contrasted with the current place of stepn, it addresses a 434% cost move incredibly. At the point when it generally comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its genuinely by and large notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an unobtrusive manner. Numerous digital money brokers view market capitalization as a really key marker to explicitly be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, or so they especially thought. It generally is determined by duplicating the in every practical sense complete number of coins that generally are as of now available for use coursing supply by the ongoing cost of stepn, which as currently referenced, by and by basically remains at $81.84, or so they basically thought. Considering that recipe, we by and large have determined the truly current market capitalization of stepn to generally be at $491,862,746, which legitimizes its place as the 73rd coin among those in every practical sense present on the digital money market, showing how as the outcome, the value sort of moved by 0% corresponding to its current standing. A month prior, on January 19, stepn in a real sense was estimated at $93.43, which for the most part matched with our cost expectation for that truly specific period in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on February 18, the market capitalization of stepn generally remained at $474,111,608. Keep going week, on February 12, the aggregate sum of pretty capital dedicated to stepn was laid out at $437,718,618. The information from a month prior, enrolled on January 19, most certainly shows that stepn truly had a market capitalization of $487,841,982, which explicitly is genuinely huge. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and sort of are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders, especially cool wallets, exhibiting how contrasted with the kind of present place of stepn, it addresses a 434% cost move, which for the most part is very critical. The very all-out supply likewise considers any Coins that in every practical sense have been scorched, put unavailable for general use to keep a solid expansion rate incredibly. It can generally be contrasted with the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that especially is public on the securities exchange, which sort of is genuinely huge. The truly complete inventory of stepn right now essentially remains at 5,413,608,639 GMT, which in a real sense is very critical, as currently made sense of the circling supply in every way that really matters is the most generally involved, especially metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to in an unobtrusive manner. It compares with the kind of the best estimate of the genuinely by and large number of coins that in every practical sense are public on cryptographic money trades and really add to their liquidity, exhibiting how, considering that equation, we truly have determined the extremely current market capitalization of stepn to be at $491,862,746, which legitimizes its place as the 73rd coin among those very present on the cryptographic money market, showing how as the outcome, the cost moved by 0% corresponding to its fundamentally present standing. A month prior, on January 19, stepn, all things considered, was valued at $93.43, which in every practical sense matched with our cost expectation for that sort of specific period, or so they basically thought. Their volume doesn't essentially incorporate the coins that are vested, marked in certainly shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or fundamentally put unavailable for general use, or so they for the most part thought. The circling supply for the most part is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange in an in every way that really matters enormous way. At the present time, the flowing stockpile of stepn in every practical sense is assessed at 1,749,878,954 GMT, which all things considered is very huge. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the stepn market added up to $44,704,219 in a really significant manner. Yesterday, on February 18, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting explicitly added up to $48,993,538. Or so they for the most part thought. 7 days prior, on February 12, the power of stepn exchanging all through the meeting came to $34,441, showing how their volume does exclude the coins that for the most part are vested, marked in commonly savvy contracts, secured in advanced wallets, or in a real sense put unavailable for general use, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This information and the events on the stepn diagram can basically assist you with by and large surveying for yourselves the truly current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the genuinely current bearing or making an especially inversion. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability file CVIX especially is our essential instrument for making the most reliable expectations with respect to the cost of stepn in 1 to 5 years' time, or so they in a real sense thought. It was made by the